Okay, today I'm going to be making pancake using a very simple recipe. Basics is flour, milk, butter and salt. Egg is the additional. If you don't use egg, that's fine. You can just add a bit more butter to replace the egg. And there you go. And even if you don't have butter in excess, you can just replace that with the egg. So here we go. Toppings. I like to add sweet corn to everything, but obviously if you just prefer to stick to the normal things, then go for it. I'm going to be using a hand blender to mix my mix, so it will be very smooth and delicious. So while your butter is melting, let's get some flour in here. Might be a bit much, but it's okay. I have about 200 milliliters of flour in there. I'm going to add the melted and cooled down butter. I'm going to crack one egg in that. Oops. And I'm going to put some milk in this. I'm going to top it up to 500 milliliters. Maybe half a teaspoon of salt. And now just mix the whole thing. Make sure you get the bottom of it. Well, that's it. Now you have a jug up to, well, it's gone down to 400 milliliters when incorporated. And now we can start making our pancake. First, I'm going to heat up the pan and pour in a certain amount of the batter and let it get around. So you cover the entire pan. If you feel like it's too thick, you can always add a bit more milk to your batter. I might just add a little bit more because I like it to be extremely soft. On the initial one, have it at a higher heat, and then as you make your second and third pancakes, reduce the heat as the pan will heat up, and you don't want to be cooking your pancakes too quickly. Make sure you don't flip it too early, just wait for the pancake to warm up enough, otherwise you're going to start ripping into it. So just have a bit of patience, don't worry. Wow, that's looking really good. Okay, so now I'm going to reduce the heat as this one's done. So this is not as soft as I want, so hopefully this time I'll make it as soft as I was hoping for. Don't forget to check on your pancake while you're doing this. That's why it's better to reduce the heat now to lowest heat, so you don't have to be freaking out about burning it or overcooking it. I like to have half jam, half chocolate. So delicious like that. Yes, so good. I'm gonna have sweet corn for my remaining pancake, so I'll be adding that straight into the batter. Yes, this is more like what I wanted. Just so soft. I think that's done. Yes. Let's pour this in the meantime. Hopefully this goes well. 3, 2, 1, go! Woo. That's gonna be a heavy pancake. Usually when you put sweet corn, it is very filling. So yeah, let's see how that goes. That's got a lot of sweet corn in it, so that might even be my last. Yeah, I think I'll stop after this and just keep the remaining in the fridge. Usually, like if you leave batter in the fridge, the next day it tastes better. So I'll do that. Also, one tip with the sweet corn is they don't really spread, so don't bother like spreading it around, just leave it as it is. Now, let's go back to my pancake. Just want to eat this already. Oh, let's go for this. I love it when the chocolate and jam mixes. It's so nice. How is my other pancake doing? Okay. This is gonna break unless I go for a full-on flip. Should I go for it? Should I not? I don't know. Oh, I can't believe it. I did it. Yay! Alright, let's see how this is looking. Ooh, this is quite soft. I think I'll stop it there. Hiya! Ooh, that looks amazing. I'm gonna only use chocolate spread on this. I want one of you to try this and tell me if you liked it or if it's just me who really likes sweet corn on everything. If you like sweet corn and you like pancakes, please try this and tell me what you think. Because honestly, I love the texture of it. I love how it crunches when I bite into it. It's so nice. I really want to know what your opinion of this is. Here goes. Oh, hot. Ooh. Oops. That was really hot. Oh no, I forgot to take a picture of it for my thumbnail. Ah, what can I do? I got too excited.